Are you looking for ways that technology can make teamwork more efficient? If so, utilize the chat and spaces feature that you can find within your Gmail account to make this happen. Please note that the chat is most often utilized in a setting where you're working with one other individual, while spaces is used when working with more than one teammate. Let's start by looking at some features of the chat inside of Gmail. Once you've gone into your account, click the down arrow next to chat. Find the person that you will be working with and click to open your chat. Click the plus symbol. Once you've done this, you'll have some options available. Start by clicking on the emoji. You can search for emojis that you would like to add to your chat. You can use menu buttons at the top to find more emojis. If you know the emoji that you would like to search for, there is a search area at the top of the emoji screen. Type in the item you'd like to look for and insert it into your chat. Also available is the upload feature. Press the up button and upload a file from your computer. You can see here that we have uploaded a PDF to share with our colleague. You can type in messages to go along with the item that you have uploaded. In the plus symbol menu, you can also find an item to add files from your Google Drive. Click the Drive symbol to make this happen. Once you click on the Drive symbol, a load screen will appear and you can upload the Google item that you would like to share. When working in a collaborative manner, you also may find that you would like to work virtually. You can utilize the Google Meet feature of the chat as a way to efficiently call a meeting with your colleague. Once you see the Meet icon in your chat, you can hit Send as a way to officially start the meeting. The chat feature has a calendar button as well. The calendar button will allow you to find a meeting time that is available for both you and the person that you work with. Once the calendar opens on the right-hand side of your screen, you have the ability to scroll through different days to see the events that both you and your collaborator have, and thus find a time where you can both meet. Click in the open area and press the Save button to schedule a meeting for you and the person that you are chatting with. Next up, let's take a look at Spaces and some of the things that it has to offer. Inside of Gmail, you will find the Spaces area and again click the down arrow. Find the group that you will be working with and click on it. When you do, the group space will open on the right-hand side of your screen, and you can begin working. Again, you will see that you have an emoji button available to you. Add emojis in the same manner that you did when utilizing the chat feature of Gmail. One item that is unique to the Spaces feature is that you can add a GIF to your space communication. Find a GIF that you would like to send your teammates and insert it into the chat. Just as before, you do have the ability to click the up arrow to upload files from your computer. You can also again upload files from your drive. When you upload a file from your computer or your drive, you will see a thumbnail of it, which is a little bit different than in the chat. Another unique tool available in the Spaces area is the ability to add a brand new Google file. In this case, we're going to open a slides presentation. Type in the name of the item that you would like to get started, and once you do, click on the blue Share button. Once you create this file, it will open inside of the space. What is really nice about this feature is that you can begin editing. All members of the team included in this space can make changes to the file that you have created. They can do it right inside of the space where the item has opened. If you would like to make changes and actually open the application you'll be working with, you can do so in the upper right-hand corner. In addition to creating new files, you do have the ability to utilize Google Meet and the calendar just as you did in the chat feature of Gmail. Using the calendar in this manner is especially nice because you can find open time periods for all members included in the space. Once you do, click Save. To make life even more efficient, Google has included a Files button. Click on the Files button to find any items that have been uploaded by this group. This is a nice way to look through your history and search for important items. Finally, there is a Task button that allows you to create a task list for this group. Once you create a task, you do have the ability to set a date in which you would like to see it completed. Once you have picked the date, you do have the ability to assign the task to a specific group member. Do this as a way to let them know that they have some work coming up that will need to be completed. You can view the task in the chat by clicking here, or delete a task if you no longer need to worry about that item. Please note there are tasks that you can work on at the top, and at the bottom of the screen you will see tasks that you have already completed. If you have any questions about working with the chat or spaces, please contact your technology integrator for more assistance.